Well, we got a lot more done yesterday. Need to have this. See, that's the worst spot about it. But I really don't want to buy a quarter panel just for all this. I can make this, from here down. But right up in here is going to give me issues because that is beat up. I guess that's before they had replacement panels. Quarter panel here is really not that bad. Right down there is the worst spot. And that line down, I can make that panel. Of course, and then we got a little bit down there we can make. Door's not that bad. I don't know who drills 1/4 inch size holes to pull dents out. I'll have to weld them up and get a stud gun after it. It's coming along, a little at a time. That sure is an odd place to put a roof on. I guess that's the way I guess they used to braze them. I don't know, but that right there kind of looks factory. That's some weird looking stuff there underneath the Bondo. Car was red from the factory. Need to put some 401 LF over it now, as soon as we get her all stripped down.